Welcome back, students. In this video, we are going to do some exercise practices of the concepts that we have learned in this topic, that is of geometry, right? And the previous videos, we learned about two different types of line segments, that was horizontal line and the vertical line, and we also learned about parallel and non-parallel lines. All right, so in this video we are going to practice some of the questions that you might get in your exams or your quizzes that are related to this chapter. So let's read the question. Okay, the red line segment shows position of different objects with respect to the ground. Identify vertical and horizontal segments. ठीक है, ये आप red line देख सकते हैं, हर object में उन्होंने लगाई हुई है. ठीक है, you have to find out which one are the horizontal line segments and which ones are जो है. So let's discuss and solve these questions. So you can see this is a tree, and the line segment is up and down. So we say that this one is a vertical line. Next, we have a book, and the line segment is left to right. So we will say that this one is a horizontal line. ठीक है. We have a lamp over here, street light जिसको कहते हैं, and you can see the line segment is up and down, so we'll call this one a vertical line. ठीक है. Likewise, you can see a pen over here, और इस pen में the line goes from left to right, so we'll write that this one is a horizontal line. Right, now let's move on to the next slide. In this question, circle the pairs of parallel lines from the following. ठीक है, आपने क्या करना है, सिर्फ उन lines को circle करना है that are parallel lines. ठीक है, let's revise this concept कि parallel lines होती कौन सी है. Parallel lines are the lines that never meet. ठीक है, and they are at equal distance from each other. Distance in both. ठीक है, और वो जो हैं they never cross. ठीक है, और हम यहाँ स्लैश डाल के लिख देते हैं never meets. So let's find out which ones are the parallel lines. This one is clearly intersecting, that is they are crossing each other, so this one is probably not the parallel line. ठीक है, this one you can see over here, they are at equal distance from each other and they are not going to meet, right? तो हम कहेंगे कि this one is a parallel line, so we're gonna circle this one. इसके अलावा you can see this line, these two lines are actually at equal distance from each other and they are not going to meet any further at any point, so no matter how much you extend it. alright, तो आप इसको कहेंगे कि ये line भी क्या है, this line is also a parallel line, so we circle this one as well. Next we have the line that is intersecting in the middle, that means this is not a parallel line, we'll not circle it. But which type of line is this? This is a non-parallel lines. ठीक है, next we have this line, इसमें एक line segment बड़ा है और एक line that is smaller, but if you extend both of these lines they are never gonna meet and they are at equal distance from each other, right? So we are gonna circle this one as well because it's a parallel line. Next we have this line which is clearly intersecting in over here at this point, so we'll say that this line is not a parallel line, this line is a non-parallel line. ठीक है, next we have the question that says decide whether the line segments marked red आर पैरेलल और नॉन पैरेलल. अच्छा जी, अब आप लोगों ने इसको ध्यान से देखना है. दिस इज़ अ ब्लैक बोर्ड, राइट, और उसके आप उन्होंने एक इस साइड पर और एक इस साइड पर लाइन ड्रॉ की हुई है. ठीक है, लेट मी चेंज द color of my pen so that you can see the lines clearly. अच्छा जी, आप देख सकते हो कि this one, and this one is the second one. So these are the two lines that are at equal distance from each other, right? तो इसको उन्होंने क्या कहा है कि these two lines are parallel lines. ठीक है, इसी तरह this and this one. ठीक है, they are actually intersecting over here at this point. ठीक है, इस point पे वो intersect कर रहे हैं. So we will probably say that these two lines are non-parallel lines. Remember, student, don't forget to learn the spelling of these names, and you will be having to answer them in your exams or the quizzes. Okay? So let's all look at this dustbin, and you can see the lines are actually drawn over here like this. Okay? इस तरह ड्रॉ हुई है. दैट मीन्स कि आप इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे अगर, ठीक है, इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो ये आगे जाके दे आर गोइंग टू मीट एट सम पॉइंट. दे आर नॉट एट द सेम डिस्टेंस जब वो स्टार्ट हुआ है. तो दैट मीन्स दैट दीज लाइंस आर what they are non-parallel lines. So let's write over here that this one is also a non-parallel line. ठीक है, now we have a chair over here, and on the chair they have marked these two lines. ठीक है, अगर आप इन दोनों lines को extend भी करते हैं, you will see that they are at equal distance from each other and they're never going to meet. So we are gonna write over here that this is a parallel line. I hope you guys understand the concepts, and I will be giving you more of the practice material so that you can do it on your own. See you guys in the next video.